If you notice your vehicle rough idle, like it's shaking when it's idling, it could be this problem that we're about to diagnose on this video. This particular vehicle is rough idling. It shake when the vehicle is idling. So we're gonna crank the vehicle and see. So you can see that the vehicle is rough idling. The coils are shaking. This is the intake box. You can see that it's shaking all around. Everywhere is shaking. So I'm gonna diagnose the problem and fix it. So first we are going to trace the ignition coil. It could be the ignition coil. So to test if it's the ignition coil, we have to remove these coils one after each other. And to diagnose if it's the coil, if we remove it, okay, it will shake more than as it is. Okay, so if a particular coil is working, it will shake more than as it is, but if it's not working at all, it won't shake. Like it will just be as it's running. Okay, so let me start from this. You can see that the shaking increased, the vibration increased. So this is to tell that this particular cylinder is working. This cylinder 4 is working. So I'm gonna plug back, okay, and then we head to the next. I'm gonna remove this, okay. So the cylinder is working. You can see that it's shaking massively. So if I plug back, it will relieve, okay. So that is how it is. So we come over to the number 2, okay. The cylinder is working. So let's go to the number 1. Okay, for this current number 1, there is no reflection that I removed the ignition coil. So this is to tell you that this is where the problem is. This is where the problem is. So we are going to replace this ignition coil. So if I should lose out this 10 millimeter bolt and then say I should ignite it, we're now gonna check if it will ignite. Okay, so you are going to use a 10 millimeter spanner wrench to test it. So this is the coil. I will pull out. Okay, you can see that there is no current igniting. It's not igniting. So we are going to replace this particular ignition coil. So I will go ahead and depress this connector and pull off. So then I'll remove the ignition coil. This is it. The ignition coil has been damaged. Okay, and this is the current, the new ignition coil that I will be installing. So you can see that it's vibrating. Then watch the state that it will be once I plug this ignition coil, once I connect. Okay, so you can see that the vibration is no more there. So that is how it is. So the problem of this current vehicle vibrating is the ignition coil. Okay, so you can see the simple way to diagnose if you have a bad ignition coil and the fix. Okay, so we are now going to tight back the 10 millimeter bolt with our 10 millimeter wrench. Okay, and then we cover back. So that is how it is. So know these steps. Do well to subscribe to the diagnostic guy on YouTube. See you guys in the next video. Make sure us.